Features tall sides and a fitted lid to reduce evaporation and keep soups flavorful and hearty, and a brushed exterior finish. 5-ply bonded construction with alternating layers of stainless steel and aluminum for warp-free durability and supremely even heating that eliminates hotspots. For an added touch of refinement, it features a beautiful and easy-to-maintain brushed finish and fitted, stainless steel lids. Compatible with all cooktops and optimized performance for induction tops, also oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat-resistant stainless steel handles, designed a comfortable grip and permanently secured with stainless steel rivets, and flared rims for drip-free pouring. 4-quart soup pot with extra tall sides, ideal for a wide range of uses, including simmering soups, slow-cooking pasta sauces, preparing grains and boiling vegetables. 5-ply bonded construction with alternating layers of stainless steel and conductive aluminum for warp-free strength and even heating throughout. Highly polished stainless steel cooking surface with starburst finish offers superior stick resistance and easy maintenance, plus won't react with food. Capacity etched on base. Heat-resistant stainless steel handles with large bolster and permanently secured with stainless steel rivets. Flat stainless steel lids, flared pouring rims. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Optimized for induction. Dishwasher safe, limited lifetime warranty, made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. It is worth the money even though it costs so much. This pot is the perfect size. I have been using it more than I thought I would. It is heavy but not at all too heavy, heats up very fast and holds the heat. It is beautiful looking. I have a couple of other All-Clad and needed one this size. What can I say, it is the perfect piece to complete your pot collection and I am so glad I bought it. I will use it more than I would a Dutch oven the same size.